This is the BLUEDRIVER Bluetooth Pro OBDII scan tool, a wireless diagnostic tool that pairs with your iPhone or Android to give you full control over your car's health. It doesn't need any subscription, and it can read trouble codes from the engine, ABS, airbags, and even more than 7,000 other systems. Whether you're a DIYer or just want to avoid surprises at the garage, this gives you proper insight straight from your vehicle, all from your phone. These are the SYLVANIA H11 XTRAVISION headlight bulbs, a pack of 2 halogen bulbs that offer brighter lighting without blinding other drivers. They're perfect for replacing high beam, low beam, or fog lights when you need strong, reliable illumination. This is the SYNCWIRE 3.5mm nylon braided aux cable, designed for high-fidelity sound and everyday flexibility. It's just over 3 feet long and works perfectly with car stereos, headphones, or any device with a 3.5mm jack. This is the ASTROAI digital multimeter tester, a handy little tool that measures voltage, current, and resistance with precision. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for troubleshooting both car and home electrical systems. This Amazon Basics emergency seatbelt cutter and window hammer tool comes in a pack of 2, offering a reliable way out in an emergency. Each tool features a sharp cutter and a window breaker to help you act fast when seconds matter. This is the HOTOR trunk organizer for car, a foldable black organizer with 2 roomy compartments. It's great for keeping tools, groceries, or odd bits tidy in your SUV or car boot, and folds flat when you don't need it. These are the Motor Trend FLEXTOUGH floor mats for cars, made to fit just about any vehicle with their trim-to-size design. They've got deep grooves to trap dirt and moisture, and the heavy-duty material holds up in all seasons. This is the AIDEA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 50-pack, a generous bundle of soft, absorbent cloths ideal for cars, homes, or kitchens. They're great for dusting, wiping, or polishing, and they won't leave scratches or streaks behind. These are the AUJEN silicone license plate frames, a 2-pack of black holders that stay put without rattling or rusting. The silicone design keeps your plates snug while withstanding rain, snow, and heat. This is the CAMCO RHINOFLEX 15 feet RV sewer hose kit, which includes a clear elbow, caps, and a 4-in-1 adapter. It fits a variety of threaded sewer connections, making it a practical option for RV owners looking for strength and flexibility. These are the YUOYAR 2-pack sunglasses holders for car visor, made with sleek magnetic leather and a clip for cards or tickets. They keep your shades within easy reach and stop them sliding about while you drive. This is the Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20, designed to improve your car's fuel efficiency while protecting the engine. It flows smoothly even in cold starts and helps your engine last longer. This is the DOHONEST Baby Car Camera HD 1080p, a clever rear-facing monitor with night vision and anti-glare display. It's easy to install and lets you keep a clear eye on your little one while driving, even at night. This is the TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel Detailing Putty, a soft and squishy cleaning gel that gets into air vents and awkward corners. It's perfect for dusting dashboards, buttons, and keyboards, and leaves no sticky residue behind. These are the Energizer jumper cables for car battery. 16 feet long and built to handle tough starts. They come with strong clamps and a carry bag, making them an essential for roadside emergencies. This is the Fix a Flat S60420 Aerosol Emergency Flat Tire Repair. A quick solution when you've got a flat and no spare. It seals and inflates standard tires in one go, and the formula is safe for tires and the environment. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.